Okay, so we are looking for the minimum possible value of the sum of the squares of the roots of this equation, sum of the squares of the roots. Okay, so let's consider the roots to be alpha and beta, just for explanation purpose. So we know that alpha plus beta, the sum of the roots is a plus 3 in this case. I hope you know the sum of the roots, product of the roots thing. And alpha beta is minus of a plus 5. This is the only basic you need to understand. And also, of course, the relationship, or rather alpha plus beta whole square. That's it. I mean, how to square it up. So just changing the side here. So this is what we require, right? Alpha square plus beta square, the minimum of that. But we'll come to that. First of all, let us figure it out in terms of a. So just substituting the values here. So we know that alpha plus beta is a plus 3. So this becomes a plus 3 whole squared. And minus of a plus 5. So this is plus 2 a plus 5. So just quickly evaluating this, you get a square here. You get a 6a from this and a 2a from here, right? So that adds up to 8a. And also you get a 9 here, 3 square that is, and 2 into 5, 10 here. So that is 19, right? Now, don't try to apply, any sort of ideas, into, minimum problem whenever you have something like that. Just the simplest way or the fastest way to solve every question like this, if you can, then try to make a whole square. So if the question is like that, so for example, in this case, you have a square plus 8a plus 19, and we are trying to minimize, find the minimum of this, isn't it? So if I can make a whole square, that will automatically tell me the minimum value, because I hope you can see this is simply an a square here, and also this is an even number. So making a whole square is very easy in this case. So all you have to do is just imagine this as a square plus 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square, and whatever is left out. So in this case, if you draw 16 out of this, you're left with 3, right? So effectively what you have is a plus 4 whole square plus 3. So this is your alpha square plus beta square, the required thing here, the sum of the roots, square of the roots, that is sum of the square of the roots. So a plus 4 whole square plus 3. Now understand this, a is a real number, of course, in this type of questions. Otherwise it doesn't make any sense. And also the a, if a is a real number, then a plus 4 is a real number, right? Square of a real number can never be negative. So the minimum value of this will be attained when this part is 0. So if this is 0, the entire thing is 3, and that should be the minimum value. So if you approach it in this way, it becomes very easy. You can apply the minus b by 2 idea for a particular quadratic minimum. But then again, you have to figure it out and then resubstitute, over calculating and stuff. If you understand this idea, you don't even have to write this step. You can directly jump from here to here. I was just explaining this, the whole squaring, whatever I'm observing here. You can directly write a plus 4 whole square. So suppose you have something like this. Let me re-show this. So whenever you have something like this, I can see that this is 2 into 4. So that is a plus 4 whole square. Now, once I've written this, I'll think about this part. So this is 4 square here, that is 16. So what else do I need? 3 to satisfy this 19, right? So that itself will tell me whatever is giving me the minimum. I don't need to write this in between step to figure this out. So that is it for this question. It should take roughly 1.5 to 2 minutes, depending on your comfortability of this type of question. The faster you can evaluate these kind of things, and this kind of thing will make this problem faster to solve. You can actually solve this in less than 1.5 minutes. So that's it for this question. I hope that was understood. Thank you.